Welcome back, guys, to Kyle's Crypto Alpha, and there's so much for me to share with you guys today. I am very excited. Some days not a lot happens, some days a ton of stuff happens, and today it happens to be one of those days. So today we're going to go over a lot of different things. Bitcoin is mooning, literally, and I will show you exactly why. Also, I'm going to drop some alpha for you at the end of a project I think that you definitely should follow because there's a lot of really exciting things coming up. Additionally, we're going to talk about Moonbirds and big time as well. So let's get into that, guys. If you're excited for this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to bring you alpha every single day. And let's get into it. So mooning, when I say mooning, guys, look at this chart. This is actually trading view, and this is actually an indicator called moon phases. So you just go here, you type in moon, and you can see here you got moon phases, and you turn this thing on. So all these circles here at the bottom, these are the full moons, and you can see that after almost every single full moon, we get pumps, pump, 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 pump. This one not so much, but this one nice little pump, and then over here nice little pump, 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 and then we are today here, full moon and green candle coming. So I am expecting to see some more green candles coming after that. But what else is creating this hype and excitement? Well, Australia, guys, created the world's first Bitcoin physically backed ETF. Australia's first Bitcoin ETF to be listed next week, report says. So this is huge, and hopefully the ding-dong United States follows suit and listens to what Australia is doing. This is the first physically settled Bitcoin ETF. This is something that we've been waiting for a very long time. Now, actually, I don't know if it's a world's first, but anyway, Australia is doing it, and they expect $1 billion of inflow into Bitcoin from this ETF. So this is huge. We expect to see a lot of buy orders coming in to Bitcoin very, very soon. In fact, next week. Additionally, let's talk about big time, guys. So big time, this is something that I have two of these big time, these passes. And this gets you early access. So today, right now, actually is the first time that big time actually has the game being live. You can see here, and they're streaming it right now on Twitch. Look, this is big time actually being played, and it's sick. If you have one of these gold passes, guys, you can get early access and go play right now, and you can start collecting precious goods, NFTs, cosmetic NFTs. You can actually even get space, which is like the equivalent of land in the game. So you can go pick up one of these NFTs on OpenSea. Right now you can see it's currently 2 Ethereum. And but honestly, if you have time right now, if you have time to go play, a significant amount every day, I think that you'll probably be able to definitely make up for that 2 ETH cost by going and earning NFTs and playing, because the early access gives you like 4 weeks before anybody else gets to play this game. So you got 4 weeks head start to go and earn a bunch of NFTs and things like that in order to start getting a head start on big time. Big time is gonna be one of the biggest games ever. Go to my main channel, which is in the description below, and check out my video that I did on big time. I've talked about it several different times before, but this is again, the founder of Decentraland and a bunch of guys from AAA gaming studios who have brought you big time. I am extremely bullish on this, and this is your chance to get ahead of everybody else. There's only 1,000 gold passes that were created, and this gives you access as 1,000 players to go play for 4 weeks before anybody else gets in the game. And again, you can go earn all kinds of really cool things in NFTs that could be potentially super valuable. The cheapest land right now is selling for like, I don't know, $1,000 or something like that, and there's going to be land or space that you can actually go collect by playing this game right now. So I definitely think that's interesting to check out. Now let's talk about Moonbirds for a second, guys. So Moonbirds, like, what is this crappy NFT looking project? This thing, guys, raised $290 million in a few days. Now this is Kevin Rose, who's a serial entrepreneur, and basically what they did is, I'm a little bit confused because they're selling securities. Essentially what this is doing is giving you a equity share in everything that they do in their brand, which is this Proof brand. And so anyway, guys, this is bringing a different utility to tokens. Now, what I'm doing, I'm really trying to learn and observe what's going on with this project, Moonbirds, because we're doing something kind of similar in MetaMasters in a way, but there's things I think I could take from this and apply to it. MetaMasters is something that we're building internally, more of that to come in future videos. But I just thought that this was a really, really crazy, it's insane. Look at this trading volume. It's absolutely crazy. It's 75,000 ETH being traded in like 2 days. That's absolutely nuts. And guys, look, I'm using the Super C thing I told you before. This is a really, really, really cool extension over here, Super C. It gives you the rarity ranks directly on OpenSea. So you can see I've got it sorted by Super C right here, and it just tells you the rarity. You can go through and look at everything using that. It's a really cool extension. Additionally, so I want to talk to you about another project that I've been talking to the founders here. They are choosing to remain anonymous and go in the true vision of decentralization. And I've been working with them to figure out how they can, raise some money in order to build what they need to build. But basically, I suggest that you go follow this account. Let me show you this. So, Sons of Crypto. So the Twitter is Sons of Crypto Lab, and it's Web3. And so what they're doing, guys, is they're creating a Web3 wallet. Now, MetaMask is what we all use, and it's very centralized. It uses something called Infura, and to give you an example of how centralized it is, they blocked everyone in Venezuela by accident recently. And MetaMask made $300 million in fees in the last quarter just from swaps alone. And so what Web3 Wallet is going to do is basically create all chains, but starting with Solana and Ethereum, where 100% of the fees that are charged through the wallet go back to the token holders. Now, I just wanted to really quickly just tease this to you guys because there's still a lot in development and a lot of stuff that's being worked on, but I'm really, really bullish on this. And in fact, I'm going to make a proposal to CultDAO that CultDAO invest in this because this is truly a decentralized wallet that I'm very, very excited about. You heard it from me first. That's that. And guys, that's going to wrap it up today. I have something really, really cool I'm going to bring to you tomorrow. In fact, I will just tease it to you today. You should definitely go follow it. In fact, let's just look it up right now. This is Fame MMA. So guys, go follow this one too. This is cool. So I will tell you in tomorrow's video how you can get involved in Fame MMA and more about what it's about. Essentially, guys, if you haven't heard of Fame MMA, it's like UFC, but with celebrities. And it's huge in Central Europe right now. And it's starting to explode. And they're actually doing a token sale soon. And I think it's going to, and it's on a very, very good public sale launchpad that has a big history of performing extremely well and putting out really great projects. So I will cover a bit more of that in the video tomorrow. But that's going to end it today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, like the video, subscribe, and share with all your friends, please, because I'm dropping alpha. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.